guys, welcome back to our channel. Today's video is a haul video. I haven't done a haul video in a really long time, or I don't even think I have a haul video here on my channel. Yeah, I don't think so. But this is a Hush haul video. Hush just sent this box here with a lot of makeup, so I want to thank Hush for partnering with me on this video. I'm going to be sharing with you guys everything that Hush sent out to me, so we're just gonna like jump into it. Before we get started though, if you're not yet part of our T Squad family, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to turn on the post notification bell so YouTube can alert you every time I upload a video. And once you have done those two things, don't forget to like this video if you like haul videos, or like if companies decide to send me out products you want to see them, let me know by giving this video a thumbs up. And once you have done those three things, don't forget to comment down below hashtag TSQUADFAMily for a shout out in one of my videos. And yeah, with that being said, guys, let's go ahead and get started with this haul video. But I am going to be bringing to you guys some tutorials. If you guys would want to see this tutorial that I have on my eyes today, it's kind of like green, pink, glitter, you know, the whole shebang kind of going on. I did use the palette from this haul, so if you would want to see a tutorial on this look or maybe on all the other palettes, don't forget to thumbs up this video right now. With that being said, we're going to start off with the first one. The first one that they sent over is the Bad Habit Athena 18 color eyeshadow collection palette. Look at this packaging though. I love it. I'm obsessed with it. And the palette is exactly the same as the actual packaging. So it doesn't really say much. It just says that it's a cruelty-free product and it is made in LA. So this is what this one looks like. And then what I love about these palettes is that they all have a really huge ass mirror. Like all of them have a really huge mirror where, you know, it's perfect for traveling in my opinion. And then you have 18 shades. A lot of these palettes, I think they're like dupes for like higher end palettes. So I'm actually super excited to try these on my eyes because I obviously can't afford, you know, every single palette on the market. But these are around $10 to $12 depending on the palette. I'll leave the price on the screen as well as their website down below so you can check them out. But this is what the first one looks like. I'm going to do an up close just so you guys can see how beautiful and pigmented these shadows look. There is a shade here called Daring, and it is actually a pressed glitter, which I did not know, and I tried to use it today and I didn't put like an eyeshadow glue underneath, so I kind of made a mess with that one, but I'm excited to try the rest. I did try the mattes in this palette. This is actually the palette that is on my eyes today, and as you can see, they're very pigmented. Like, I'm not even joking. Like, you know, a lot of people are going to say like, oh, you know, but you're giving them a good review because they sent you this makeup for free. No. So a company decided to send me makeup, you know, a couple months ago, and I obviously did not review it because I did not enjoy it. So one thing for sure is that my reviews are just very raw. Like, I don't give a about, you know, anything or like anybody, like what anybody has to say. I'm just gonna be very raw, and if you guys know me personally, then you guys know that I don't give a damn. You know what I mean? Like I'm a very raw person when it comes to like, you know, speaking my mind off things. Then again, this is just makeup. My opinion, it's like, that's how my opinion is. You know what I mean? Because then again, after everything, after all, this is just makeup. Makeup might work out for me, it might not work out for you, vice versa. It's the beauty of beauty. You know what I mean? So just a little disclaimer before, you know, I continue on with this video, just because I know that once I start getting free PR from, you know, companies, and companies start sending me things, and if I give them a good review, you guys, you know, a lot of you guys might start commenting, you know, nasty shit, but that's fine. This is the palette that is on my eyes right now. As you can see, the shade Daring is actually a pressed pigment. All of the matte shadows are very pigmented. There is powder to these shadows, but I have always said it here on my channel, I do not mind if a palette has fallout as long as they perform well on the eyes. And it's the case with this one. It does have fallout, but then again, it performed fucking badass on my eyes. As you can see, this look though is on another level, pigmented. Second one, also the packaging is very similar. This is called Aphrodite, or is it Aphrodite or Aphrodite? I don't know, but Aphrodite, I believe it's how you pronounce it. Packaging looks exactly the same as the first one that I showed you, and the actual palette is very stunning. It's a perfect size in my opinion Also comes with a really big mirror, and these palettes don't feel cheap at all whatsoever. They actually feel really sturdy. This one is very like warm. It kind of reminds me of the first one too. It's just that this one has a little bit more green tone pigments to it. Like there's the green here that I'm dying to try. This is like a green olive kind of yellow shade, which I'm obsessed over. Shade Admire, which is like the matte brown in the palette, is super nice. As you guys can see, all these pigment shadows down here are so pigmented. I'm obviously going to be inserting swatches so you guys can see how these look swatched. Then again, I'm going to be doing a video dedicated to every single palette that I'm showing you here, just because swatches don't just do justice for me. Like these can swatch beautifully, you know, on my arm, but you don't know how they're gonna perform. So that's why I'm just going to be doing a video dedicated to each palette. So if you're excited to see a look with each of these palettes, don't forget to comment down below which one is your favorite palette at the end of the video. Moving on, this is the Bad Habit Aura palette. This one is actually a dupe to the Prism palette by Anastasia Beverly Hills. As you can see, the shades look very similar. The formula in these is amazing. I have tried this palette because this is actually my palette. I do have one here that Hush actually sent out to me, and this one is actually going to be for one of you guys. So yeah, I'll kind of go over the rules in a second, but I'm going to be giving away that one just because I already own it. This is what this one looks like. So as you can see, the shadows are pretty pigmented. There's like that neon blue there that I'm dying to try. It's very like neon-y kind of palette, but I'm gonna go ahead and insert swatches because this one is one that I really love. Like, look at how pigmented these are, and this is just like one swipe. Like these are super intense and super pigmented. Next up, we actually have a dupe to the Subculture Anastasia Beverly Hills palette that looks like this. So this is a palette that I never reached out to again because I fucking hate this palette. Like, I'm just gonna be straight up honest, I do not like it. The quality of these shadows is insane. They are super powdery. They have so much fallout, but they do not perform well on the eyes. Like, these shadows are bad, like really bad. And I haven't bought a new palette from ABH since this one, just because I had such a bad experience with this palette that it just frustrated the shit out of me, because I mean, I did wasted money. And even if I didn't waste the money, and even if you know, they were to send me this palette, like, it's not a good palette. Then again, if I want to purchase something and review it, I'm obviously going to purchase it myself. I don't really care about companies sending me products. And this is what the Retro Love palette looks like. It's this one right here. So as you can see, it looks very similar to the Subculture palette. This one is just a little bit more thin, but the shades are exactly the same. Like, the shades are exactly the same. I'm going to show you guys up close so you guys can see. This is the both of the palettes. This is the Anastasia Beverly Hills palette, and then this one is the Retro Love palette. So the shades are exactly the same. What I am curious to know is that if this one has a different formula. Obviously it does. So if this one performs better than this one, I'm going to be so happy, because I love this palette. The reason why I decided to purchase it, like I said in that video, is because of the color scheme in this palette. So I love the color selection. I love the blues here, like the green blues, and then I also love these mustard kind of shades. This one here looks so unicorn like, so is this one, and the names are iconic, like they're crazy. Hippie, pop, rebel, mod, rock and roll, free love, youth, I don't know how to pronounce that, revolution, peace, psychedelic, what the hell? What, girl, what? So this one is the Retro Love palette. I'll go ahead and insert some swatches so you guys can see how these look swatched. I just really hope that that palette has, you know, better outcome than the Subculture did for me. Moving on to my all-time favorite palette, and this is the reason why I say this is my favorite palette, is because it's just my favorite palette. It's like the everyday kind of go-to palette for myself. This is the Bad Habit Inferno palette. First of all, the packaging is fucking fire, like hello there. And then the shades remind me so much of the Anastasia Beverly Hills Soft Glam palette that I really wanted to get my hands on. but I haven't had the chance to. So this is what they look up close. As you can see, this is a very warm palette. It has a lot of pigment shimmery shadows to it, which I am all about. Hello. But I freaking love this palette. Look at the shades though. This is like the perfect everyday, you know, kind of go-to warm palette. Like, it has the reds, it has the browns, it has the shimmery shadows, it has your, you know, I love this palette so much, and I'm actually super excited to try this one on my eyes. Hopefully it's not shit, because I'm gonna be mad. Yo girl's gonna be super mad. But yeah, I love this palette. I'm gonna insert swatches here so you guys can see how beautiful these look swatched. I have 2 glow kits. The first one we're gonna go in with is the Unicorn Glow palette. This one looks like this, very holographic. I love the packaging, and again, it comes with a really big mirror. Like, how do these palettes do it? This one reminds me of the Aurora Glow Kit by Anastasia Beverly Hills. Now, a little disclaimer here, I would never use these shades on my, you know, cheekbones. I don't know, I wouldn't feel comfortable putting on a green, a purple, a yellow, or like a lime green. As you guys can see, these are very holographic highlighters, which I would never wear on my skin like that. I mean, I don't know. What do you guys think? Would you guys wear these? I really like that blue and that lime green for maybe like an all over lid kind of color, but I don't know if I would use these on my skin. I mean, I am going to, because, you know, I'm going to be reviewing the palette. This one also reminds me, wait, which one reminds me of the Aurora Glow Kit? Or is it the Moonchild Glow Kit? One of these is similar to the Aurora Glow Kit, and the other one is similar to the, I don't remember the name, you guys, but one of these reminds me, I know that these are dupes to the Anastasia Beverly Hills highlighting palettes. I know one of them should be like the Moonchild, is that what it's called? Or one of them should be the Aurora Glow Kit. I don't know. You guys let me know in the comment section down below. This one is very pretty. I mean, I wonder if... Oh. Okay, these are pigmented. I am living... Oh. Oh, yes. Can you guys see that? These are very pigmented. Huh. Let's swatch this one here, because this one this one is an iridescent kind of white purpley shade, and then this one is, oh, that one is stunning all over the lid. Hell yeah. Aquarius. Let's try Aquarius. Ooh, these are very pretty. This is something like very out of my comfort zone, which you guys know that I need to try. Oh wow, what did I just swatch? Wait up, because you guys are gonna be crazy. So the Mermaid Glow Kit is by far my favorite, just because of how pigmented these are. Like, hello, glow. Yes. I kind of want to swatch these on my face. Let me go in with, which one should I go in with? These are so pretty. Look at that. Look at how pretty these are. I don't know if this is like focusing, but I am all about the glow though. This is crazy. Oh gosh, let's go in with Gleam and Amore, or what is this? Oh, but you know what? I kind of have like pink on my eyes, so... Oh, but I already have those on my brush. Fuck it. We're mixing all of these together because why not? Oh, that's nice. Oh yeah, I just took this shit to a whole nother level. You guys see that beautiful kind of purpley iridescent coming through? You know what's the thing? That it doesn't look purple, you know, in real life. Like, I know on camera it kind of looks like an iridescent kind of purple shade, but on camera it looks like a white gold. I really like that glow kit. And this was the, not this one. This one is the Mermaid Glow Kit. These shadows are to die for. Not these shadows. These, and also these pan sizes are really huge. This is crazy, you guys, because I believe these were 2 for $20. So yeah, like, you need these in your life. Like, look at that. And you know what's the thing? That these are just very out of my comfort zone. I would just never go out with a purple highlighter or like a blue highlighter. But that's because I've never tried them on my skin. But right now that I'm trying it on, I really like it. Alright guys, so that was it for this haul video. Really hope that you guys enjoyed these haul videos, and if you want to see more haul videos with maybe like swatches in between just like this one, don't forget to thumbs up this video, and also subscribe to my channel if you're not yet part of our T Squad family. I try to upload every Monday, Wednesday, Friday at 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. Once you have done those two things, don't forget to turn on that post notification bell so YouTube alerts you every time I upload a video. YouTube kind of likes to act up, so turn on that post notification bell. And once you have done those three things, comment down below hashtag TSQUADFAMILY if you would want a shout out in my videos. This week's post notification shout out goes to Kim Vasquez. Thanks girls so much for commenting and watching my videos. Like I said, if you guys would want a shout out, then don't forget to comment down below hashtag TSQUADFAMILY. And also if you have any questions for me, I'll try to answer them as well, so leave them down below with a hashtag. And now moving on to the Aurora giveaway. I love this palette so much, you guys. It's so beautiful and so pigmented. So all you have to do is be subscribed to YouTube, comment down below your Instagram handle, as well as go on this Instagram photo right here and tag 3 friends. That is all you have to do. Tag 3 girls that you think might be interested in my content. And with that being said, guys, I will catch you guys in my next video very soon. Bye guys.